Good morning, dear students. Let's be back with some reference to context from Dear Mrs. Naidu. Question 1. I don't know if this is true or just a story, but if I had a house with more than one room, there are plenty of times I would have locked myself behind a closed door. Now, we have to answer the questions based on this extract. Which story is being referred to here? Answer. It's an incident when Mrs. Naidu, during her childhood days, stood against her elders and locked herself up in a room for the whole day in protest as her parents wanted her to speak in English instead of her mother tongue Bengali. So Mrs. Naidu did not want to speak in foreign language, so she protested in this way. What can we understand about Sarojini's life at home from this sentence? See, basically Sarojini here has been portrayed as a poor girl whose mother is a housemaid. So she is tired of her elder's dictatorship at all the times, and also she wants to protest like this, but she lives in a one-room house and is unable to protest in this way. She wants to be properly understood and valued by elders. Question 2. As you have probably concluded, Mrs. Naidu, I picked you. So this has been written by little Sarojini to Mrs. Naidu. So what does the word concluded mean? Concluded means figured out based on clues and evidence. What does little Sarojini likes to read? She likes to read detective stories and hence believes something based on clues and evidence. So little Sarojini, though she has been portrayed as a poor girl, but she has ample of interest in reading detective stories and to be analytic, means critically analyzing the things. See, what does Englishman mean by useless rags? Do you feel she's right? If not, then why so? Answer. By useless rags, she means reading the detective stories here. According to me, personally, I do not feel that English Miss is right. Now, let us see the following slide, why she is not right. This is because detective stories make us think over any issue with proper reason, based on available evidences. Reading them makes our thoughts sharp and reasonings mature. So they are worthy of reading and not useless rags according to me. So students, try out more reference to contexts like this and try to solve them critically. This is all I must say to you in this video. Thank you. Have a good bye. Have a nice day.